Hello guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So for this video, gawin po natin ang weekly horoscope for February 17 to 23. Para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising sign na Aries. So if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, bell notification, and give this video a like. Kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung sun, moon, at rising sign nyo po, kasi importante to, sa dulo po ng ating video, may link po tayo para dito. And also guys, meron na po tayong, nahiya naman ako sa'yo, meron po tayong extended readings, kung saan mas malalim yung mga readings na ginagawa po natin. And para magkaroon po kayo ng access for it, i-click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba. And there will also be additional perks and benefits for that. And readings are for guidance purposes ha, so use your free will wisely. For private readings sa Spellworks, message me my Facebook page. The link is in the description below. At sa mga kailangan gusto po magbigay ng donation, you can send it using the thanks button sa baba. Okay, so kamusta ka na ba, Aries? So we have here the King of Cups and Chopped Wood. Well, kung naghahanap ka ng sign if you're doing the right thing, as of now, yes, you are on the right track. Hirap lang talaga siguro sa end mo na you're trying to use yung emotions mo para mag-make ng decisions. May nahihirapan ng iba sa inyo. Pero actually, this is a good thing kasi it is a way para from the universe para i-help ka ma-develop yung maturity ng emotions mo. So, the universe is actually showing, actually yung cards na kapakita, the cards are showing na tuloy mo na yung ginagawa mo. May mga lang, akala mo lang parang walang effect, akala mo lang walang nangyayari, but the cards are saying no. May mga changes na along the way and lahat yan is part of the process na kailangan mong gawin. Kumbaga sa pag-aaral, kung gusto mo, di ba parang kung gusto mong maging lawyer, kailangan mag-take ka ng pre-law. Or kung gusto maging doctor, you need to take a pre-med course. Di ba? Ganun yung pinapakita ng cards dito. Hindi na. Ngayon pinapakita ng mga cards dito. It is a process that you will need to undergo as of now. Sa matingin mo, pull ka na. Para lumaki kang pusa ka. Sinikay po pala to, Mikay Noodles. Now, what's crossing you is the Emperor and Never-Ending Story. Parang andun yung part na you are feeling na ano bang purpose nito? Parang nagkakaroon, bolol. Basta yung crisis, existence crisis ba yun? Correct nyo nga ako. Andun nga parang may nakikita mo na parang na kailangan mo na mag-break away doon sa mga norms. Kailangan mo na maging unique. Kailangan mo na magkaroon ng something different, something unique. Something na masasabi natin na it's magiging trademark mo. Kasi andoon na naghahanap ka ng something big. You're asking for an opportunity para magkaroon ka ng breakaway. And ang dahil mo na rin kasi gustong tapusin ng mga responsibilities. You felt na para kang naiipit na lang doon sa mga bagay-bagay na yon. So, the universe is telling you na, yeah, it can, parang ando na, okay, sige na, ang nakaloka lang na you are in the process of finding new things. Pero sa pag-process nun, andoon na may mga bagay na binibreak din yung universe. Well, tama din naman kasi hindi ka try mo magtayo ng additional floors sa isang building na 50 years old na. Siguro feeling, hindi ako engineer, pero feeling ko walang engineer na papayag ng ganun. Kasi yung safety hazard is grabe. So, the universe is advising na those things that will be breaking away, those are meant for good. Now, with your Desire card, we have here the High Priestess and si Poised. Ayun lang. Yun yung tanong yun. Paano ka magkakaroon ng graceful exit? Yan yung gusto mong maintindihan, na-desire mo. Na, okay, so kung ibibitawan ko tong mga bagay na to, how will I let go of it in a beautiful and beautiful way at walang masasaktan? Unfortunately, walang way. Especially if you're going to remove people, tapos may mga ititigil kang ginagawa na nakasanayan nila, tapos nagbe-benefit sila. Tapos bila mong tatanggalin, ay, bumukha ka masama. Congratulations. Pero, ang ano dun eh, so, nagmumukha ka masama, ano ngayon? It only shows na batugan sila. Kasi ayaw nilang yung responsibility na ginagawa mo, na dapat hindi mo ginagawa dahil hindi mo naman siya responsibility. You're just calling back your energy. Kung nasanay sila na ganun, that's not your problem, it's their problem. Imbes na gumawa sila ng paraan na, ay, si Aries may ginagawa para maging maganda yung maka-extend, maka-help siya. So, instead na maghanap sila ng way para tulungan yung sarili nila, inasa na sa'yo as nawala yun. That's not your problem. It's their problem. So, at this point kasi, mas importante ngayon yung building mo ng sarili mo. And what you're feeling na na-abuse ka, or feeling mo na in-abuse ka, na-take advantage ka. Actually, that is a valid feeling, ha? And kailangan meron i-address mo yun. Hindi pwedeng deadmahin mo lang. Sorry. Your foundation is the 7 of Swords and all that glitters. Bakit may tingin sa'yo ng mga tao lagi kang merong pera at wala kang problema? Maybe, well, with your foundation card kasi, kaya ganun yung tingin nila, is how you project yourself. Then, it is also very true with those who have rising Aries. Na paano mo i-project yung sarili mo, how you are being seen by people, andun na yung strong personality, yung strong vibes mo, is na-emit talaga. Now, what I'm also seeing sa foundation mo, is, siguro na, nagkataon lang maalaga ka sa sarili mo eh. May mga tao kasi na siguro yun, kaya parang, they see you, someone na laging merong pera at, ang sarap kasama is because you are taking care of yourself. Sabi nga nila doon sa isang movie na panood ko, people care about people who cares about themselves. Kapag andoon na ikaw concerned ka sa sarili mo, inalagaan mo yung sarili mo, people will be attracted towards you. That's why nga, di ba, yung mga artista, that's another thing, or mga performing artists natin, we are attracted to them because they're taking care of their craft, they're taking care of themselves. At andoon na natutuwa tayo na gusto din natin silang mahalin. Now, yung sa past mong evident pa is the Knight of Swords and Treasure Island. Well, mahirap talaga mag-move on. And moving on has a lot of different aspects. Kung natin gawing mababaw ang move on, na inisip natin jowa, wala naman akong jowa, di ba naman ako naging jowa dati, kaya ba't ko pala mag-move on? Bakit? Sa jowa lang ba dapat mag-move on? Hindi ba pwede may mga tao na nawala sa buhay natin na it's really hard to move forward? Yes, it's easier said than done, madaling sabihin mag-move on tayo. Pero andoon kasi, you need to start the process. Kailangan ka nang magkaroon ng decision na I am willing na mag-move forward na I am willing na mag-start na ng healing process ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan mo kailangan mag-move on. It could be a lost opportunity, na walang family member or friend, or a connection or something na na-disappoint ka sa sarili mo or to other person. But this time, okay lang nasaktan ka. Again, your emotions are valid. Lahat ng emotions natin is valid. However, anong gagawin mo afterwards? Kaya nga, ang tawagin natin siya as pinagdadaanan. Hindi siya tinatambayan. Dadaanan lang po natin siya, ma'am, sir. Because healing is necessary at this point. Now, your possible future na ikaw is a temperance and building blocks. So, matutuloy-tuloy po talaga ang tearing down ng mga bagay-bagay in your life. Now, it may look like parang sakit, ang hirap, but it is needed. Parang yung pinapay ko kanina, yung sa kitchen nightmares, hindi, malugi na yung business. So, di ba si Gordon Ramsay pumunta? Andoon na, ang tagal bago na realize nung may-ari na kailangan niya i-let go yung mga kinolekta niya all those years ng mga gamit na andoon na nagpapadumi, nagpapaklutter, nagpapasikip ng kanyang restaurant. Literal, sinunog talaga nila. So, andun yung point na para makapag-move, di ba, doon si Gordon Ramsay, magawa niya, ma-implement yung changes, some things needs to be destroyed, some things needs to be removed. May mga bagay na kailangang ma-let go at ma-diminish na. At magtutuloy-tuloy ito. Andoon na mostly ang mga gagawin mo, mga ma-diminish, is yung mga pinaniwalaan mo na importante. So, those are relationships, responsibilities, even mga people at mga bagay talaga. You will start to let go of a lot of things. And the type of saying, this is all to set you into balance. Then, naman. So, kung nakaka-relate ka, resonate ka sa reading natin, meron po tayo extended readings kung sa mas malalim may readings natin. So, if you want to have access to it at sa mga additional perks po, you just need to click po yung join button sa baba. So, let's move forward. Your physical environment is the Four of Wands and co-create. Well, ayun lang. It's would discard kasi as far as I understand, this is my understanding, pag sinabing family, may tatlong klaseng family tayo. Yun yung biological, ito yung doon tayo pinanganak sa pamilyang yun. Pangalawa is the chosen, ito yung mga kaibigan natin, mga tao na tinuturing nating pamilya. And also, we have yung spiritual family, and this is the universe at large. So, andito na pinapaalala sa in the physical environment na you need to also have that connection with your family. Magkaroon ka ng moment na you will be building relationships with them. Kung hindi man building, pero ano yung balikan nyo, ano ba yung mga na-miss out nyo? Ano ba yung mga napag-iwanan nyo na give that hi, say that hello, kamusta? Kasi dyan, naloka lang ako sa'yo eh. Mostly ng mga kamusta sa'yo kung hindi mangungutang, may aalamin na chismis, no? Mga kaibigan mo din kakaiba, no? So, let's normalize na we nag-reach out tayo sa taas because we miss the person. Ikaw magsimula no, na i-normalize na maging open ulit yung communication, na magkaroon ulit ng kamustahan, na magkaroon ng mga updates sa bawat isa. So, bibuild naman yun, isusupport naman siya ng universe. Kasi then with your emotion environment, 7 of Wands, tsaka TikTok, andito kasi na pinapakita ng cards na to, na you felt na parang wala ng oras gawin yun. Actually, marami. Kaya nga, yung sa future na ikaw ang daming gustong tanggalin ang dami mong excess baggages, because those excess baggages are stealing your precious time. At hindi naman hindi naman worth it. One example is siguro on my end. Nagkaroon ako ng time na sobrang na-indulge ako maglaro ng online games. Hanggang wala na ako nagawang hindi na ako pagtrabaho ng ayos. So, anything kasi sobra din masama. Sabi nga sa nabasa ko, anything na sobra is addiction. So, it is something na kailangan mo ding i-balance with your life. Now, with your emotional environment, madami kang, andun yung nag-crave yung heart mo ng connections with other people, especially doon sa mga taong importante sa'yo. It's time na medyo mag-reach out din naman tayo. Andoon na let's say hello, let's say hi. Hayaan natin na marinig ulit mula sa atin yung kamusta. Tayo na mag-implement, guys. Tayo na magsimula. Let's normalize it. Now, your hopes and fears is the 9 of Cups and Observer. Ayun normal nga yun na mamaya isipin ng tao nangungutang ka. Kasi tagal yung walang communications, mga kamusta. Diba? Parang after pag sabing Mars, anong kasunod, diba? Pautang. andun yung point na ayaw mo naman isipin nila yon. Well, ano sinasabi ng card na, why not? Diretso. Gusto ko lang mga musta. How are you? How are things? Are you doing good? Is everything okay with you? So, this is a moment na sinasabi ng card sa'yo na it is time that you make sure na ma-build mo naman din yun. Kasi, your relationships right now, they are your treasures eh. Andun kasi yung heart mo. Kaya, sabi ba, where your heart is, andun yung mga kayamanan. And right now, with your possible future, the Wheel of Fortune and New Life, may mga gusto ko, may mga, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng moment ng isolation from people na plastikada sa paligid mo. Yung mga, alam yun, nung time na may kailangan sila, friendly sila, ngayon na wala na, wala na sila. So, this is a moment that the cards are saying na i-rebuild mo yung mga taong to kasi babalikan mo. Those are the people through thick and thin. Meron man o wala, nandyan talaga sila. So, these people are, matatawag natin silang mga treasures ng buhay mo. So, have them in your life, call them back, reach out to them, and you will find na yung treasures mo magmumultiply ulit. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings, and those readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. Kung bago kayo, please click subscribe, like, and share this video. And, meron po tayong cards dito. This is for your extended reading. Kung gusto yung marinig po kung yung extended readings natin for an in-depth look, i-click nyo na po yung join button sa baba. Private readings and spellworks po, pwede nyo po kayo message sa ating Facebook page. The link is in the description below. And also, if you want to send donation, just use the thanks button sa baba. Yung may heart sa baba. So, Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless. Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you soon. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill, in Baguio City, kasama po si Mikay Noodles, at kanina po, si CB. You have a great day, and I'll see you sa extended reading po natin. Bye for now!